Hello Rohit,
Hi Sham,
how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And what about you?
I am also fine.
First of all, may I ask your name?
Yes, you may ask my name.
So, what is your name?
My name is Shyam Goswami. And what about you?
My name is Rohit. And where are you from?
I am from Luwari. And what about you? Where are you from?
I'm from Narod, Badod. What is your qualification?
I have passed 12th and learn spoken English. And what about you?
I also passed 12th.
Okay.
And what are you doing nowadays?
Nowadays I am learning spoken English and pursuing my graduation. And what about you nowadays? What are
Nowadays,
you
I'm
doing?
preparing for India exam and learn spoken English.
Okay.
So,
Did when did have you passed 12th?
I passed 12th in 2023. And what about you? When did you pass 12th?
I passed 12th in 2022.
2022. Okay.
Which stream do you pass 12?
I passed 12th PCM. And what about you? Which stream have you passed
I
12th?
have passed 12th with the PCM stream.
What is your hobbies?
My hobby is video editing and play cricket. And what about you? What is your hobbies?
My hobby is to play cricket and listen music.
Okay. Do you
And
like listen music?
yes, I like listen music.
Which type do you like
I like
listen music?
I like Punjabi song.
Yeah, listen.
And do you like Punjabi song?
Yes, I like Punjabi song sometimes.
Okay. Which is your favorite singer in Punjabi song?
My favorite singer, Parmesh Verma.
Yes.
Yes. And what about you? What is your favorite singer?
My favorite singer is Sidhu Moosewala.
Hindu Musewala. Okay. Do you like listen Haryani music?
Yes, I like Haryani music.
Who is your favorite singer in Haryana?
I like Kasyala.
Okay. What is what is the favorite song of Kaswala?
All song is my favorite for Kasyala.
Okay.
Okay.
Would you like to play PUBG?
No, I don't like to play PUBG. I like outdoor game, not indoor game.
Okay.
And do you play PUBG?
No, I don't play PUBG. When
Mm,
you ever gone to Mumbai?
not yet. And you and what about you? Have you ever go
Not
to?
yet.
Would you like to go to Mumbai?
Yes, I would like to go to Mumbai.
With whom would you like to go to Mumbai?
I like I would like to go to Mumbai with my friends. And what about you? Would you like to go to Mumbai?
I also would like to go to Mumbai with my friends.
Okay. Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have three siblings, one younger brother and two sisters.
Okay.
And do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have also three siblings, two younger sisters and one twin brother.
May I ask what do you want to be?
I want to be a businessman. And what about you?
I
What do you
want
want
to
to
be
be?
a lieutenant.
Okay. What are you doing to become a lieutenant?
I'm preparing for India exam and learn spoken English
Okay.
as well as preparing for SSB interview.
Okay. So
Have a
thank
great
you.
time. See you tomorrow.